Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a new profile into a YouTube Kids app. So here, before we open a YouTube Kids app, make sure you install the YouTube Kids app first on your system, on your Android phone. And if you already installed, make sure you keep up to date. So you can update it via Play Store. And in order to bug fixes and stability improvements, you need to, or you always keep up to date your app, every app on your system. So now let's open the YouTube Kids. After the update, there is a new look. As you can see, in previous edition, YouTube Kids have a landscape view. So now, after the update, the YouTube Kids become a portrait like a regular YouTube app. And here, after you open it, make sure you sign in with your parent account. Let's assume your kid cannot create a new account. And here, talk about add a new profile. Maybe you want to differentiate the profile settings, the profile video that you already shared via regular YouTube app. You have to tap on your kid profile at the bottom of your screen, and here you can click parent setting at the bottom of your screen. And here, to continue, please enter the correct answer. So if you don't set your own passcode, you just simply answer this mathematic question here. So here, after the submit, this is your kid's main account, and you can add new profile, new account by tab add new. And back to the landscape. Now you have to follow the main instruction and so on, like you create a new one. The past one, the previous one. So here, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.